Morning.
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 Good morning. Wa gisakyanan no bisag isa. Karon ang unang adlaw mga higala. Din gipatuman ang no car day sa Davao Coastal Road, which is from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. So it's 4 hours no na free from four-wheel vehicles ang Coastal Road. So mo ni siya ang itsura mga higala karong mga higayon na karong tak na so jags ako. What a nice view. Car free day in Davao. Of course, na ang view sa Mount Apo. The standard as always. So I think every Sunday no from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. so that is 4 hours no 4 hours window kung asa ang Coastal Road is exclusively for bikers and runners, joggers, so walay four-wheel vehicle nga allowed diri sa Coastal Road during that 4-hour window. So as you can see, nindot kay ang view, and karon adlaw it's a gloomy. That is probably the reason why dili kay inana kadaghan ng tao no, pero kung wala to nag-ulan for sure daghan ang nag-jogging diri. Puno-puno ning gidedicate na lane no para sa mga joggers. So mo na siya ang itsura sa Coastal Road na walay sakyanan. And that's it for now. Bye.